how to tie your button-down shirt. Today, I'm gonna show you a bunch of different ways on how to style and tie your classic button-down shirt. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a celebrity fashion stylist. And for those of you who do, welcome back. Today, we're talking about the classic collared button-down shirt. Who doesn't have one? We all do. I found this one this spring and I absolutely love it. It's pale pink and it's so soft and so comfortable. We're coming into spring and summer. You want to throw in the collared shirt. Besides just tucking it in or giving it the classic half tuck, what are you gonna do? The number one easiest thing to do is to give it a tie at the front, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. It seems simple, but I'm just gonna show you guys so that you know what you're doing. So first of all, you button your shirt right about to the point where your own button is. Next, you're gonna gather the shirt, and you're just gonna give it a tie. You wanna make sure you pull the tails out a little bit and tie it again. And then I kind of pull on the edges and then let it hang down a little bit in the back. And actually, instead of letting it hang down like this, I'm just rolling this under. There we go. So again, I've just tied it in the knot and then pulled it out. What do you think? Looks cute, doesn't it? And I've rolled up the cuffs, and actually there's one more thing I want to show you in case you don't know. The trick to rolling cuffs, I was actually on a photo shoot the other day and I was rolling a jean jacket for one of the models, and then I showed her the classic cuff roll, which is kind of like called the J. Crew roll. So I showed it to her and she was like, oh wow. So I realized that maybe I should show it to you guys. So what you do is give your shirt a nice big fat roll, and then you're gonna roll it up halfway so that you can see the cuff sticking out, just like that. There you go. And this is so easy and comfortable. And I've styled this shirt because it's spring with a light pair of girlfriend jeans and a pair of loafers. I find that a button-up shirt is fairly classic. So something like a ballet flat, a loafer, an Oxford goes really well. There's your first look for tying your shirt. So I'm just gonna untie this, and I apologize in advance because this shirt wrinkles actually really easily, as soft and as wonderful as it is. So one of the things that I've seen on a lot of the street style bloggers and something I saw at Fashion Week, and it sounds a little weird, but it actually looks really cute, is a tie just on one side. So I'll show you. You wanna make sure that you have quite a bit of a tail coming out. And I'm still gonna try and make sure that my button is lined up here. You don't wanna be yanking your shirt all the way over. So you wanna pull it through and make sure you have a little bit of a tail, and then this side actually hangs down. So that's the look. I'll just give you a step back. Don't mind the wrinkles. Don't tie it together before you do that. And so if you are doing, let's say you're doing a shot or you're posing, maybe you're a blogger, maybe you're just wearing your shirt, but you're gonna turn towards this way, and if you had a long coat, I think it's fun. So you can try that. If some of you will like it, it's a little bit different. It gives something a little different flair to it. Like I said, I particularly like this look when I have like a blazer or a cardigan on top and it's hanging down. It just adds extra interest. For number 3, this is if you have, like, let's say your button-down shirt is maybe a little more silky and it tends to fall out a little bit. So what you can do is do up the last button, and then you grab the shirt, and I'm kind of rolling it as I'm doing it. And actually, you take your elastic and you're gonna wind it around the shirt. Don't worry, that part's not gonna show. I'm gonna move that down a little bit. So that just kind of keeps it in place. And then I tuck it in. And then you kind of pull it out. And then I just kind of go around the back. And instead of this sticking out, I'm making sure that I'm turning it under. This is really cute, so it kind of gives it that front half tuck look, and it doesn't come sliding out all the time because now you have an elastic on. That is a really great hack for you guys. I do it a lot of times on photo shoots because I don't really want things moving, and a lot of times I have things like clipped and like elasticed and like put into place. So this is an amazing way to wear your shirt. So it's it looks like the front half tuck, but actually you've got elastic wound around it, so you can do whatever you want and it's going to stay the way you put it. Easy, and it stays in place, and you'll be really happy. You will say thank you to me the next time you do this to your shirt and you go out and you're out all night and you're doing things and your shirt hasn't moved and you're super comfortable. You're gonna like it. For the last way that you can wear your button-down shirt, I'm gonna have to pause for a minute while I just take off this shirt. I wanna show you one way. It's a little out there, it's a little different, but actually it looks super cool. And if you are a little more avant-garde, you will really like it. And I was just pulling in a store and I saw one of the managers and she actually had her suit on backwards. She looked absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. For those of you who think you can pull it off, give it a try. As you can see, I've turned the shirt completely around. It gives it a total another look. It's so cute actually, especially the shirt in the pale pink. And in order to get it hanging like this, what I've actually done is done it up at the back and tied it. If you're not totally comfortable with the back of the shirt showing and you wanna use your shirt for another look, you can just add a blazer, a jean jacket, anything like that, and you've got a completely another shirt. It's so cute actually, and surprisingly, it's really comfortable. So even if you're on a trip and you've kind of used a shirt a few times, turn it around, do it up, give it a tie, and throw in a jacket. And now it looks like I have like a mock turtleneck on. Do you love it? Let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Secrets of a Stylist. I just showed you 4 ways to tie or style your button-down shirt. If you guys like this, leave me a thumbs up and a comment below. I want to know which way you would tie or style your shirt, and would you actually wear it backwards? Would you? Try it. It's fun, and actually it's super comfortable. I'm really happy right now. Anyway, remember to hit subscribe button down below, and I will show up in your mailbox every Thursday and Saturday, and we will hang out. And one more thing, a lot of the time Ryan puts like our bloopers at the end of the video. So if you want to see what actually happened during the video and when we were filming, stay to the very end and watch those. See you guys next week. And for those of you who do, welcome back. These are bugging me. I think I have to style them. Hang on. Pause. Pause, everybody out there. What's going on? Who's filming you? Peppa. Who's that? Is he coming to see you? Are you scared? Are you scared of the camera? Oh. She's scared. Come here. Come here. It's okay. Who's that? No. Say bye-bye. Oh, no, I didn't say. I said bye-bye to Ryan. Okay.